Hi guys, welcome. Please let me know if the sound is good. Does it sound good? Yes, it looks good to me right here from my end, just to confirm. You guys, we discussed this expanding correction. Look at this correction. Okay, so this is beautiful, guys. This was running flat correction. Okay, you can see it was a flat, was okay, it was a flat correction, kind of almost typical standard flat. And this also was a correction, but was expanding. So this wave right here, it became bigger than this one. Then this one, it almost came to the same level. And this was expanding. So yesterday, guys, if you were following my live stream, I said I don't think this is uptrend. I think this is just expanding correction, and this is gonna come down. And that's why we have made the sell bound dollar video and bound Japanese yen. Look right now. The pound under so much pressure, it's like that's crazy. It's been dumped so fast. Okay, that's really nice. Also, the dollar is gaining strength. This is gonna make me think about the gold maybe coming down. Australian index start to reverse, guys. This potentially a sell right here for Australian against the dollar. The oil has been going down strongly. You can wait a little bit further down, then start buy. Okay, don't sell from here. The sell was from the top right there. CHF index just making a correction wave. That's why we prefer to sell the pound against the CHF. This is not going to continue too much, but maybe reach up to here. So that's why this possibly was pound CHF. This is a correction, not uptrend. Okay. Going back here to the pound index, that's beautiful. Euro New Zealand, we're gonna wait for this correction, guys, before we do any buy or anything like this. Okay, so wait for this one. But don't buy it, just we're gonna wait for a correction. Anyway, congratulations guys for the EuroCAD. We did give the signal from here. That was beautiful, coming down all the way. I think EuroCAD is gonna continue coming down. Look at this candle, is gonna continue coming down. I do recommend to sell from here, but if you are in a sell, this may continue coming down even further down. But if you guys follow up with me for the last week, I said EuroCAD from this area we're gonna only sell. This is a beautiful down, standard down channel, so it was going all good. Okay, perfect, sounds good. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So going back to our chart right here, we did give the pound CHF a video. If you guys did, that's a pound dollar and that's a pound CHF. This possibly may continue coming down, guys. The sell started right here in the 1 hour time frame, so it's a little bit tiny late because you should have entered here, but that's okay. Okay, I think it's gonna continue coming down with the pound index going strong. Okay, if we look what's going on right here, look at the euro index. I'm gonna just remove this so you guys can see what's happening right here. I'm gonna zoom. Look at this. I think we spent a lot of time in the euro index. Look at this wave, beautiful wave. It did come to the same area we expected to come and bounce from. It did go to make a small correction. Spending much time here as expected. We talked about this a lot. Look at this beautiful analysis. That's really nice. Since here, 2 weeks ago, we said this is only a sell, this is gonna crash. Look at the MACD. In the weekly forecast, guys, we were just here. We said this is gonna go up almost to the 0 point, is gonna come back down, make another big one even further down than this one. See this low? The second one, in order to be lower here, the price has to be double down. So almost all this distance has to be down here, okay? So, and we said it's gonna spend a little bit of time, taking its time, almost this distance, exactly this distance, to make the correction, or this down wave with its correction. Then it's gonna come down all the way here, 25% plus or minus within the time and in the price. Okay, this is combination of wave analysis MACD divergence. So I'm putting everything for you guys together to give you the best possible analysis, like even giving you time frame, giving you price range, giving you MACD divergence, momentum, rate of change. So putting all the picture right in front of you, and at the end, of course, it's your choice to take the trade or not. But I've been saying this is a beautiful, the euro is just gonna get sold off so bad. Look at this, beautiful, right? You guys, also, if you look at this in a certain way, stop right here to move. If you look at this, well, really, you can call this kind of a head and shoulder sideways. Okay, it's just if you have a bigger picture, this is a head and shoulder sideways, and that neckline was broken. Isn't that true? Right? So if you take this to be the neckline, just exactly like this, and this is one head, this is left shoulder, a head, shoulder, this line was broken, that's it. How much target you would be taking? You would measure this, how many pips right here from this area to this area. Okay, 288, and since this fall, you can take this price, 288, 230, 240 right there. Okay, so that's another way you can look at the chart. There's no right or wrong in the chart. There is if you're gonna make money or not. Just giving you an idea. And we said this is gonna come down, it's gonna take some time here doing correction. Then at this time, the time zone, so it's just about to fall, to continue fall. I don't expect this to go back up again. I think this is gonna come down. Okay. Bound CHF is still nice below our entry right here. Our target's right there. Looking at the big picture in the daily, this was a nice level. Okay. If you look at the FIBO levels right here, this correction was exactly at the 61.8. This 61.8, this tiny bit above, but same range, 61.8. So really, for the target, you can take this one right here, or you can go all the way down to here. You can close half and half right there. We can get all this wave down here. So okay guys, so that's why this trade may end up working good. You can see this, it did bounce from this level 1, 2, 3 times, so it's like bang. This is a daily. Look at the weekly, this is a downtrend here. Okay, so possibly this may end up to be the top of this wave, correction wave to the downside. That's weekly. Okay guys, we may end up with something like this. And if you take this channel to just make a copy right here, just take this level and this level, kind of give you an idea where you are in the big picture, in the range. So that was a nice entry, because in the weekly there was a big wave down, there was a correction, it did go up to touch the top end of the downtrend channel, and it did reverse. So that was a good entry even in the weekly time frame. Stop loss, of course, above here. Okay guys, so possibly this will be to continue to be a good sell, especially with such a big candle. So we can see further down here. USD CAD, we discussed this one, is dollar is gonna be strong. We're gonna be only look to buy the USD CAD. Okay, no sell. So I will take one buy right here. Hopefully this will end up being good. And USD CAD, we're gonna go for 90 bips of profit, guys. Okay, 90 bips. So 40, about 90 bips right here. Okay. So I'm gonna put the signal right here. So this is what I can see as a wave right there. This is for this one. Pound dollar is only a sell, okay guys, as we expect the pound to continue going further down. We give the signal from 1.420, so it's about 100 bips of profit now from yesterday, from right there, so that's good. Euro dollar is falling nice, pound dollar. Australian USD also guys is sell, and pound Japanese yen is possibly a sell also. The dollar is getting really strong. This is gonna make the gold go down, so I'm gonna just shoot the gold with 0.2 right there. Looking at the big picture in the gold, guys, you can see we are right there. This is too small, so let's make it for our time frame. That's why we said, okay, we're just gonna modify this contracting triangle because it still wasn't the triangle, however it did multiple waves. This is still the same, it did give it another wave up right here to this level. Okay, it's coming back down. We expect this to continue further down right here to possibly 1810. So the gold is only a sell for me, guys. Okay, we can see probably 1880 level first right here. So gold is only a sell. Just gonna make it white so you guys can see this one. It's already in profit, so you can see this down waves in a correction. This is kind of a correction, then down wave, then a small correction, then a down wave, a small correction, going back down. So this is the wave we're looking at right here to take. So and one of the reasons is the dollar index is going up, so that's why you're kind of have something to support to you when you sell the gold. Is the dollar is going up, okay? So euro, it means euro dollar is gonna crash. How are you? Hi, Mr. Sakti. Your Australian way to sell it, okay? Your Australian way to sell it. USD CHF, go for like 100 pips from the entry, okay? So the USD CAD is already in profit, guys, and also next we can take a sell from here with a small stop loss. This Australian. Here, this is the USD CHF. But the CHF is a little bit stronger now. It's for long term, it's gonna go up. We did give a buy signal, guys, about 1-2 weeks, maybe last week. It's available in our live stream from this area. Actually, if you guys do remember, we do have this one. In this area, we did give a buy USD CHF right here. Okay, watch out. Breaking above this one is gonna make it go fast. So possibly if this break above here, we're gonna go all the way here. So 100 pips is good. Anyway, the pound dollar is falling right now, and this is good. And the pound CHF, euro dollar, you can see is going really nice. We did give this signal, guys, one video before, and we made another video, said we're gonna take a sell from here. It'll go a little bit, then we took another sell from here. Has been going really nice. Okay, so we expect this to continue coming down. Hi Sekar, how are you? Thank you, man. That's a really nice comment. We're glad to see you guys making profit. This is really nice. USDJPY, guys, maybe a buy. If you guys into USDJPY, it's probably a good buy. Let's look at the USDJPY. Okay guys, please don't forget to hit the like button. This is supporting our channel. Look at the USDJPY. Have not opened this for a little bit while. You guys, you can see this is a good buy in my opinion. So I'm gonna take a buy in this one. And I'm gonna go only for about 50 bips. Only 50 bips of profit in this one. Okay. This was beautiful expanding correction. You can see guys, this correction was just going sideways, start expanding. So this small expanding gave you an idea this may continue. Okay, get this one. Usually 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and that's it. Okay, watch out. What's the scenario now? If this will continue all the way down to come here, make a small correction, just this will play out to be something like this, then making a small correction up here. Okay, then after this gives you a sell. This will be a nice sell and will be a really fast sell. Okay, so also guys, look at the MACD right down here. That was a beautiful sell, just like this one in the correction. This one even faster right here. Okay, so and that was from yesterday right here. I gave this signal right here, so that was really nice. USDJPY traded already in profit right here. EuroCAD also guys, I gave it a small sell right there. So I'm gonna sell EuroCAD also. Okay. We know this is not the best entry, but I'm gonna sell it. So right there, and I'm gonna go to the end of this channel. I'm gonna go for about 70 pips. Okay, so this is our target right there. So we did get this nice fall, and after this correction, hopefully we can get another one. The analysis behind this one, if the dollar is gonna go up, is gonna make the euro much weaker and fall faster. Also, Canadians most likely is gonna return to go up with good news from Canada, or with the oil going up. So I would expect the Canadian index to go up and the euro index to come down. So this will offer euro Canadian to still be under pressure. So this, I'm satisfied with this sell. However, it may go against up a little bit, up higher here, but I will be ready to sell again at a higher price, a reversal at a higher price. Okay, so that's why I'm saying this is not the best entry, but that's okay. Okay, so the market's going a little bit slower right now. You guys remember from the video we've made, we give this analysis and we did give a sell, I believe was here or there, and that was really nice, and it did continue to be really nice sell. What we expect of this one to continue going down. Actually, this possibly will continue going down here. See, this is 1, 2, 3, and that's fourth one right here. Okay, and this, you can see all this was a correction, this big one. Why this was a correction was not trend? Because every time you get a wave, this wave will correct about 80% down. You get a wave, you get about 100% correction. You get a wave, you get 100% correction. Break the lower band, no longer making higher lows, start breaking below, so this will offer a sell. Okay. So this Euro Japanese yen could offer a good sell. And this will give you indication possibly the stock market is going to come down a little bit. So 40 pips of profit right here. Hi, Mr. Yahya, how are you? So your Japanese yen, guys, may offer a good sell from this area. You can see this was a correction and it's coming back down. Stop loss could be right there at the top right here. So your Japanese yen possibly is a good sell from this area. Crude oil has been dumped so fast. We discussed this fall possible for in the weekly forecast. So guys, wait, don't sell this now. Let it finish. Okay. How far this can come down? It can come down to the 35 actually, all the way down here. So if you have a buy position, just hold it, but don't add any more to it yet. This is gonna make the Canadian really weak. So Euro CAD is gonna go up a little bit. USD CAD is gonna be flying up, guys. Look at USD CAD. Look at this entry, it was beautiful. Okay, nice. Right, already in profit within 15 minutes of our talk. Okay, so the more the oil is gonna come down, look at this beautiful candle. The more the oil is gonna come down, this is accumulation, guys. See this reverse candle, which is bigger than this one, is almost 2 times. Then all this area was accumulation. They accumulate orders, then now start going up. So now the dollar is getting bought against the USD CAD. Pound Japanese yen is going down a little bit. Euro dollar is going down nicely. So this is not too bad. DAX is going really nice, guys. We said we can take a sell of a DAX. So you can sell this one right here. I think this is gonna be, I told you guys, see, when I see the dollar index going up strongly, I expect the stock market to come down. Look at this beautiful sell. Stop loss right here and target. This needs to be modified. Go for about 200 pips here. Hopefully I can get this fall right there. Okay, guys. That means JPY pairs probably is gonna come down. Watch out, Euro Australia and Euro New Zealand may be going up now. I would not recommend to buy them, but just to let you know. Also, Euro CAD is gonna go up a little bit before it comes down. So if we do take the Euro New Zealand, that was really nice sell, guys, with our trading system. That was really nice sell right there. So we just don't avoid this one, ignore it, don't trade it now, okay? We don't want to take this signal. USD CAD is going nice, and I expect the gold also to see. Gold is already going really nice because the dollar index is strong, and so this is going really nice. Yeah, USD CHF from profit now, that's nice. Also same USD CAD and the gold. Okay guys, that was a quick analysis in the market. Hopefully we can catch some pips today. Thank you guys for joining me today. It was my honor, and hopefully you can come later today in New York session, after some time, and we see how it goes there and we make more profit. Okay guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. Okay, goodbye.